first one says to reflect across the x-axis. So know that this is our x-axis here. So that's what we have to reflect across. First, it says to write the pre-images point. So our pre-image is A, B, C. So to find the points of A, we start at the origin. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. 5 left is a -5. And 6 down is a -6. For our B coordinates, we start at the origin. We go 1, 2, 3 left. And 2 down. So -3 going left. And for going down, it's -2. And for our C coordinates, we go left 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a -1 and a -6. I'm going to change colors here to do our image now. So we now need to reflect this, and we're going to reflect it over this x-axis. Remember, we talked about when something is reflected over a line of reflection, each point and its image are the exact same distance from that line of reflection. So if A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, then A prime is going to be 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. So this is A prime. If B is 2 down, then B prime is going to be 2 up. And if C is 6 down, then C prime is going to be 6 up. Then we can connect these 3 points. I'm not the best at drawing here, but that's okay. And this is ABC, the pre-image, and this is our translated ABC, which gives us the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, which is now our image. So let's go down here and write the coordinates now of our image. So let's start with A prime. A prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left, so that's -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. So now we have a -5 and a +6. Before we had a -6, now we have a +6. For B prime, we have 1, 2, 3, -3, and 1, +2. -3 and a +2. Notice we had a -3, -2. Now we have -3, +2. For our C prime, we have -1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. So it's -1 and a +6. So looking at these, how do the coordinates change when you reflect across the x-axis? So what's different between these coordinates and these coordinates? It's our y, right? When we reflect across the y-axis, the x-axis, our y coordinates change sign. When we reflect across the x coordinate, I'm going to put the y. And I'm going to change this color so it doesn't look like everything else I wrote. It stands out from all the black writing from the instructions. So that's when we reflect across the x-axis, our y coordinates are going to change signs. The x stays the same, but the y changes signs. Now let's reflect across the y-axis. Now this is our y-axis here, right? The one going up and down, our vertical one. So we need to reflect across that. Let's start with writing our pre-image coordinates. J is right here, so let me see. 1, positive 1, 1, 2, 3 up. 1 to the right, 3 up. So that's a positive 1, positive 3. K, 1, 2, 3 to the right, 2 down. So that's a positive 3 and a negative 2. And L is 1 right, so that's positive 1, 2 down, so that's a negative 2. So that's a 1 and a negative 2. Now let's reflect this. So J, which is here, and it's 1 away from our line of reflection, J prime is going to be run away from our line of reflection, isn't it? It's going to be J prime. K is 1, 2, 3 from our line of refraction. So K prime is going to be 1, 2, 3 from our line of refraction. L is 1 away, so L prime is going to be 1 away. So now let's write these. Oh, let me connect these first. Come on. Okay, once again, I'm not the best, but I'm drawing as best as I can. So now J prime. J prime is now negative 1 and 3 up. Negative 1, 1 to the left, and 3 up. It used to be 1, 3, now it's negative 1, 3. K is 1 to negative 3 left, negative 2 down. Negative 3, negative 2. L is negative 1, negative 2. Now, if we look at our pre-image compared to our image, how are our coordinates changing? Notice that the y's are the same, but now our x's are changing signs. So when we cross the y-axis, the x coordinates change sign. Again, I want to make this a different color so it stands out from all the instructions so I know it's an answer. Okay, so when we cross the x-axis, the y-coordinates change. When we cross the y-axis, the x-coordinates change. Have a good day.